Nice sleeves. I like those. If you remember, in the previous video, we were able to get the truck bed lower frame assembly built, and it pretty much tied in. The next thing to do is to put the sides and the back onto the truck bed. So take a look. Here it is. Hi. Takes forever.
Shut your face hole.
In the last video, we got the bed pretty much all fit in there except for all those gaps around the sides. We needed to make fabricated panels to fill those in, and as you can see, Johnny's having a heck of a time getting them in there. Next, we have to secure the panels with self-tapping screws so that when we go to weld it, nothing moves, and we can go back over those holes and fill them in, making it seamless. We didn't get a chance to film it, but we took the truck bed assembly back off of the truck, flipped it over now that everything was kind of tied together so that we could put in the front header panel that matches the lines of the truck.
Looks like you're Australian.
Beard hair. So at the moment, haha, we got the bulkhead, as you saw.
The head of bulk.
As you saw, we placed it up here, and it lined up. We ground down the corners so it'll fit nicely. But there's some body damage we want to straighten out as best as we can before we install it. So we're just gonna hammer this out, make it flat. So we're gonna end up cutting this out because our bulkhead's really gonna get cut to like right here, and we're saving this much here. So.
Almost doesn't seem worth it.
No.
But it will one day.
It'll look nice when it's finished. I'm just using a standard flat dolly and a flathead hammer. Look at that. Look at that little tiny cut there, little guy.
So now that we got a nice cut, we're gonna go through tack and then like hammer and dolly as we're moving.
Yeah.
So we can capture any stretch or shrinkage.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.